Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to mask text in Photopea. Let's begin. Go to File, open any image, create a new layer, type text, type any text, double click, bold text, hold Control, select this text and up this layer, click a layer mask and again hold click the text, create again layer mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.